everyone feel the bonafide. Me no want see no
and a crossroads song.
Yeah. Stop the
grind. Main road song. A crossroad, yeah.
People say them set I must see ice in a tree. Them living on me floor and me style every day. Me money tall, me walk with a Kyle every day. When me fly, me no peer. Pen. Lion Foot TV, better than them. DJ Imerick, nah beg, no friend. Torah. Said it. No time to pretend it from them violate them notes, but the real big TVs in concert. Lion Foot TV production.
Vlog and the go, me a vlog and the go. I have some information for you to know. Greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed, and as usual I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health over wealth, and your health is your wealth. So maybe going to please take care of it. Eat right, drink right, think right, do the right thing, help someone if you can, stay out of trouble if you want. Now if you're new to the channel, you don't know, you decide you want to subscribe, please I'm asking you to remember to click the notification bell so you always get that alert when I post a new content, you know what I mean, and I get left out. You don't know that information might be useful to you or someone close to you. Now, big up every massive and crew. Thanks for the support. You don't know, Lion Foot, I will say keep it real from the back of field. That's what I say. In this episode, my viewers and subscribers, we have 4 murder, 2 different separate occasion incidents. I mean, I say, John, when it will end, the crime rate still soaring, people still not drop, no matter how much Zozo and state of emergency are in place now in Jamaica. People are still dropping. I mean, I tell you, so the ground not safe, sorry to say, you know what I mean, but it's not safe. If you just mind how you go and mind their own business and trust no one. Now, my viewers and subscribers, in this episode, I don't know, we also going to talk about reggae boys, slim hopes. The chances are slim, tight. You know what I mean? Not certain for making the World Cup. So I don't know. We're going to talk about all those stuff. We're going to forward back after the quick intermission.
Yeah, me.
From now on, I'm gonna settle down. No more, I'm gonna let you down. You could have run well, left me, but you stuck around. That's why me decide to stop fuck around. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows you care. Next thing I'm asking you, kindly and politely, please can you share? Zine, I don't know. I'm a change man. That's single produced by me and my son. It's available on all digital platforms. You can go check it out. Now let's get into the reasoning. No motive for a fatal shooting of Portmore men in St. Mary. John Star. So these men are from Portmore, Waterford, and who St. Mary go lost them 3 points. The police in St. Mary are yet to establish a motive for the shooting deaths of 2 men in the quiet rural community of Moorhall in Islington last night. The deceased have been identified as 35-year-old Marvin Collins and 34-year-old Pete Finley, who are both from Waterford in Portmore, St. Catherine. John Star condolence to those 2 men, 35 years old, 34 years old. No Waterford a weep right now, you see? Now my viewers and subscribers, I don't know why them go so far to lose them 3 points if a woman or some wrongdoings, you know what I mean, or, you know, we don't know, we just can speculate and hope and wait for an answer soon. You see, my viewers and subscribers, John was that. Yeah man, it's sad man, the whole of Portmore right now, you know, St. Mary, you know what I mean, a quiet place, as me say. I don't know what went down, what went wrong, or, you know what I mean, can be anything. So we have to just wait and hear, you know what I mean? But we just say the crime rate is soaring, gone over 1,000 of them now. You see it and it don't look good start. It's sad man. You see me? I have a friend who left from Painland, you know, and got a country to lose his life. R.I.P. Dennis. See him dead on his birthday, you know. Mother send much money can give him, but him still make him friend them dry him out. Got a country to lose him 3 points. Me build a song off it too, you see me? This youth I never wanted or nothing. But he make him friends, them press him button. Bring him a country, go rob the residents, roll him and chop him up fine like mutton. You see me? Yeah, him lose focus and crash like a plane. Yeah man, a football we have play the Sunday man. And the whole of it up on the field, you know? shout now later on in the night where you say, man, drop out gonna country star, gonna come and works. You see me? Some more time, if you just know for wallet, you know? Yes, man, my viewers and subscribers. So moving on to the next incident that took place now at Red Hills Road, you see me? Now as I can see on the screen, my viewers and subscribers, 2 killing gas station shooting on Red Hills Road. John Oster, you know, so a program run this, you know. Yeah, man. 2 men have succumbed after a daylight shooting at the Total Service gas station on Red Hills Road in St. Andrew. It is reported that around 12:15 p.m. the men stopped to buy petrol when they were shot at close range by a gunman. They were taken to the Kingston Public Hospital where they were pronounced dead. John, my viewers and subscribers, so you see as them pull up, the man, the shooter, they wait till them pull up in the gas station. The gas station right there at the intersection, them know the Total gas station in a dangerous place, you know. They bring you back to the boulevard, you know. Yeah, man. It's like, say, you know, say a program that I run, the shooter come like them and trail them and I wait for them make a stop. So anyway, them stop and pull up and know them and get it. You see me? John Oster. Another 2 persons, John left them families and them kids if them have any. We don't know when it will end. So you see them shooter, you know, them 87s or whatever. You see me? Them mother wire. Them not care. Anyway you're there, them come for you, them pull up on you. Could have broad daylight, early morning, noon or night. John Oster, my fellow Jamaicans, I beg on to stay careful out there and all the foreigners, them overfly go down. Wanna be careful. Trust no one program I run. You know what I mean? Them youth nowadays, them not fear nothing, man. Them not afraid of soldier nor police. Them want like Lego beast. You see me? That's what I'm saying in my song. Them kill anything, them not fear soldier police. Yeah, man. John Oster. A beautiful country, Jamaica, mash up by crime and violence, star. Wicked. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, it's really sad man and bad man. Most of them killings and knockings that we see are going is based upon a bad mind, envy and grudge, scamming, and I mean transaction gone bad. You see me I say? Yes, man. Be a friend killers are going to Jamaica right now. So all my fellow Jamaicans, be careful out there, be safe, trust no one. You know what I mean? Be careful what you're saying around people and who you're hanging out with, because you know man might have reason and then bring back your name, go say John Tam did say, when you never say, you end up lose your 3 points. You see me? Yes, so be careful, you don't know. Next thing we're going to talk about now is Jamaica national team, the Reggae Boys, you know? Yeah man, they have slim hopes right now for qualify for the World Cup star. Coaches weigh up Jamaica's hopes of World Cup qualifications. So you know Jamaica have a slim hopes chance of reaching the World Cup in Qatar next year, you know what I mean? Yes. Yeah. So Jamaica they drew 1-1 with USA. Zine where the game was played behind closed door. I think it was for COVID reasons and safety. Yeah, so I don't know that paper it say football coach Ludlow Bernard and Calvert Fitzgerald says Jamaica's hopes of making it to the FIFA World Cup next year are thin after their last 2 results. They said that for the Reggae Boys to qualify, they must win their remaining games and hope other results go their way. So you don't know that's a slim hopes. You know what I mean? They have to win their remaining games and hope results go their way. So you don't know them last 2 results, them drew 1-1. Seen? So all we can do is hope and pray for them and hope them get the support and turn out and go deliver. There's a possibility, but there's a slim chance, you know. So big up all of the Reggae Boys and supporters, them. Viewers and subscribers, let me know if you think Jamaica need a change right now. Tap our tail a bit more. If it's time for him to go, you know? Yeah. Yeah man, let me know in the comment section, you know what I mean? And you don't know all of the football fans, them Jamaica supporters, them. You see me I say? Yes, sometimes we need a change, you know? We seen the Premier League going around for change manager. You lose all 5 games. You know what I mean? You get sacked. So with the national team right now, I think they need a change right now. They need someone overseas with that experience and expertise. You know what I mean? Because you don't know, you have the overseas players, them like Antonio and all them man who are playing in the Premier League. Several players, you know, in the Jamaica team, which is a good look.
So I think them need an overseas coach who can manage and monitor those players and get the best out of them, you know. That's just my opinion still. And I mean, big up Theodore Whitmore, one of my idol. And I mean, great midfielder. You know, but I think Jamaica Football Federation need a change now. They need to go back to the drawing board and try scout a manager, you know what I mean? A good management team with them coach and everything, physio, you know? Yeah. Yeah, man, I say it work more time, and sometimes you have to spend for gain, you know? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, I hit that another update. If anybody know have any information on what took place regarding the murders, then, you know what I mean, can let me know what I go on so we can do a follow-up. You see it? Yeah, man, and the reggae boys, big up on yourself. Remember, my fellow Jamaicans, stay safe, and don't know God go with us all. Please like, subscribe, and share the content. I'm out. Not another word out of me. Mouth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell before you go, so you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.